US dollar against Canadian dollar, we can see that the price this week was jumping around these two price levels between 1.349 and also 1.339. We can see that the price has tried to make a breakout on a Wednesday on this bullish candle, but the price has returned back down inside this range area on the Tuesday, which means this bullish breakout was not validated and the price returned back down on the lower side, which means a start of this demand zone. And that means that bulls who have tried to put the price above were not enough strong to hold the price above and confirm this bullish breakout as a valid one, but the sellers has more power around this one here area and they have pushed the price down. If we take a look on the weekly time frame, we can see that this week was a second attempt for the price to make a breakout to the upside, and we can see even though the sellers have pushed the price back down, this week has been closed as a bullish one. We can see still bullish candle where the price each week has closing on the higher price level. This means the bulls are much stronger than the sellers are on this one, where we can see the lower side, where the lower side of the candle are making higher highs, which means the bulls are much stronger and sellers will eventually lose this fight if this continues like this. On the monthly time frame, the previous month has made a breakout to the downside, so in order to be validated as a valid one, this month should not close above 1.33. As it looks right now, this is not happening, so this means the previous month bearish breakout to the downside was cancelled with this month. But until this month ends, we have 3 more days next week, so we have 3 more days to see will the price bounce back down and close below 1.33. But based on what I have seen on the weekly and also daily time frame, this is probably not happening, but let's see what happens. For now, on the monthly time frame, we can see that this bearish breakout to the downside was not validated. The price returned back up between 1.36 and also 1.33. So the price is in between, which means when the price reaches this area, which is a demand zone, almost always when the price reaches that price returns back up around 1.36. We can see that in the past when the price was falling down, the price reached an area here, just like this one. Price returned back down to reach this resistance level. Then again, price returned back up. Then again, the price returned back up. Then again, the price has made a breakout to the downside, but the price returned back up again. So I'm expecting the same scenario on the monthly time frame again here, which means in the following month and also weeks, I'm expecting the price to reach this one around 1.36. So if we go to the weekly time frame, we can see what's happening. This is a very critical level on the weekly time frame that needs to be broken to the upside. If that happens, for example, like this in this case area, the price return back down, then confirm this bullish breakout as a valid one, and then reach this area where the price then bounces back down. So I'm expecting the same scenario here, where when the price makes a breakout to the upside on the weekly time frame, we'll see much more clearly that on the daily time frame how this works. As it looks right now, I'm expecting that the price will try to make a breakout to the upside and try to make breakout above 1.349. Now let's go to the daily time frame and see how this looks. This bullish breakout was not a valid one, but I am expecting that the next week the price will try to make a breakout again. And we can see that the price has gone outside of this downtrend channel, where the price will try and also trying already to reach higher price level. A very important level is 1.349, and the next level where the price could stop when the price makes a breakout is the first one here, which is a small support and resistance level for the price. And the next one is 1.36, very strong and also a supply zone for the price, which is the final target on the weekly and also daily, and we know on the monthly time frame. So when the price makes a breakout above or the downside, I will also mention that inside the trading community, where I share the daily movements on each symbol that I'm covering if there's something happens. If the breakout happens, I inform the traders what could be the potential target and what I'm expecting where the price will move in the following days. So if you would like to check that, feel free to check the link below in the description. So for now, as it looks, I'm expecting that the price will make a breakout to the upside. I'm not expecting that the price will return back down and close and reach 1.33, but this is also a possible way. If the price makes a breakout below this one demand zone, below 1.33, I am expecting that the price will reach this area here, 1.334. Until that happens, I'm still oriented as a bullish because everything is pointing that the price will reach higher price level. This is all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below in the video, and see you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.